the Brazilian tapir, the cassowary and the Asian elephant. What do all these three species have in common, other than their large size? Well, all three act as rainforest gardeners in the biomes they happen to live in. But how do they do that? Well, big animals need a lot to eat, and all these three species eat a lot of fruit. The seeds from these fruits pass through the animal's digestive system and are passed out in the feces. Basically, they poop them out. This ultimately helps keep the rainforest healthy by dispersing the seeds of various plants throughout the range. This is a reminder that every species has an important role to play within its environment.